Hey everyone, in this video we'll implement our first agent using this ADK, Agent Development Kit. Okay, so we'll do some hands-on, okay, live hands-on. So I created one folder in the name of ADK underscore trial underscore one. Let me open the terminal. Okay, let me go to this command prompt. Let me create one new virtual environment. Okay. So command is python hyphen mvenv and your virtual environment name. I'm giving .venv. So the folder is created. Once the folder is created, you have to go to that folder. You have that scripts. You have to activate that. Okay. So it was taking some time. Okay. Let me create another. Meanwhile, let me create another file like requirements.txt. Requirements.txt. Hit enter. Okay, now it was done. Okay, it's automatically activated. Now we're in this .env. Okay, so now go back to your script. First step is to we'll starting with Python. So first step is to pip install this thing. So copy this and alt tab. You'll reach here, install the package in the requirement.txt, add this Google ADK, save this. Okay, so the package is let me create one .env file. .env, hit enter, and in the requirements.txt we need one in order to access any access keys from the .env. We have to do python hyphen .env. That is a package we required. So let me save this also. Mm, so go back to this page. So what they're saying is like ADK space create space my agent. Okay, we'll see this how it goes. Go back to the script. Okay, package is taking some time. So let the terminal showcase the path. So, so steps are simple. Like what we're doing is like we'll follow the whatever given steps are there, right? So we'll implement that. So here we need one model. So Gemini 2.5 Flash we're using. For that probably we need .env. So that's what they're saying, right? So .env we have to store our API keys. We have our API key. We need to place it there. Okay, we'll see. We'll implement and let's see how it goes. It was again taking some time to load the packages. How long it will take? Come on. So, okay, meanwhile, we'll just go through the code base, like what we're trying to build now. So, the given from the Google ADK.agents LLM agent, we're importing one agent method. And what we're doing is they created one get current time. You can pass the city name, and based on that, it will give you the time. So that's a simple method. So they given the description also tells the current time in a specified city. Instruction is you given the prompt also like you are a helpful assistant that tells the current time in cities. Use get current time tool for this purpose. Like we created one function. So basically we are doing the tool calling, right? So that's what we're doing here. We'll implement and they mention like you can run this thing and it will in the cursor itself. Sorry, in the so terminal itself you get all the things and also you can display this in the UI as well. So that's what they're seeing. So we'll see this how it goes. Okay, come on. Let me open new terminal. Let me go to this command prompt. Let me delete this, filling this. We're going one command prompt. Open this. Yeah. Now I think we're in this .venv. We're good. Packages also installed, and let's follow the steps. First step is we did this thing. Okay, ADK create my agent. Okay, copy this, come back to your terminal and run this. Okay, great. Why it's not showing? So, but we install this. Okay, it was taking some time. ADK, come on. What we can do is we can check whether the package is properly installed or not. Pip show the package name is Google ADK. Copy this. We'll see. Mm-hmm. Pip show, come on. If it is properly installed, means it will showcase. Uh, okay, not found. So that means it was taking time to. Still, it was taking time to collect these packages. Okay. Maybe I don't know how long does this it will take. I want to showcase the live one, so practical implementation, and so that I do like, instead of trying things earlier and recording the things and stuff, that what I decided is we'll do some live thing. Okay. It was taking time, but ideally it shouldn't take this much time. It should done better. I have some good internet also. So ideally what they're saying is by default you'll get agent.py. So in that py file you can paste the script there, and once you paste the script there, it will you can so in the .env you can do this step. Hmm, then interesting part is this. So this is they mentioned, like, in case if you want to access any other AI models, you can. They given some Okay, they given some proper documentation and refer this, and also in the Gemini 2.4 and stuff, that how can we do that, or they clearly given the anthropic. Okay, so it was nice. Anthropic, they given clear documentation. Oh, light LLM they given, so from that you can access other LLMs. Okay, great. Olama they given this. Okay, cool. Okay. From the Olama, you can call the Mistral, and from within that, you can implement this step. Okay, cool. So they given some other methods also, like how you can access uh, the agents using other models. Okay, but ideally we'll go with this Google ADK only. So like Gemini models. Okay, see, it was, yeah. Now I think it's done. I think now we're good to go. Let me. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, what control V? Okay, instead of Google ADK, go back to this page, and first step is, okay, we install that, and after that, okay, let me copy this, Alt Tab, and just paste it here. Okay, we'll see now. So we given this, and we didn't get any error yet. So that means probably it was working fine. So yeah. Okay, nice. I think, see, it was asking questions like first option. I'll go with first option. Enter. Uh Google AI only. So first option. Don't have API key. Create one API. I already have my API key, so I already created a video how to access your API key. So okay, so you can get a free one. So create it, and I given my API key. Now, okay, cool. Now I think its agent got created. See, within this my underscore agent, they created this agent.py. Okay, cool. They given this, and after that they created the init, and in the .env they make these things. Google Gen AI use Vertex AI. Okay, cool. It was good. I think it's working fine. So we'll go back to the steps. Okay, let me go here and what it was saying is okay, in the agent.py, so root agent, so create this. Okay, let me copy this. I'll go back to the script. I'll replace. Okay, this is the step I did. After that, go back. I already set my env and everything. Directly, I have to run this thing. Okay, cool. Come here and ADK run my agent. Okay, I think we need to go back to this one. So let me go back to cd my tab. Then let me run here. ADK run my agent. Invalid value for error. My agent doesn't exist. Okay, it's there. Okay, then cd dot dot. It's ADK run my agent. Well, we're getting some errors. We'll see how it goes. Okay, OS if user stamp agent. What it was saying. Frozen. CTC OS error. Why I'm getting OS error? See user stamp agents log. Okay. The request below is not held by the client. Why? I'm able to access the Gemini, but still I'm getting this error. Okay. Root agent. Okay, let me go back here and what I have to do. Run agent using ADK command line tool. Okay, let's try this one. So in case, let me try this web version. Go back to this. We'll see. I think it's working fine. Web version. Okay, cool. Let me open the link. Wow, I think it's working fine. Great. So we'll see. We'll ask a question like we'll go to the documentation again. Mm, I think I got this. And okay, let me ask a question like what can you do? What can you do? Wow, I think it's working fine, guys. I think there might be issue in the terminal. Probably I have to install something, but this UI mode is working fine. I think yeah, I think we did well. So it was working fine. Great. So I can tell you current time in a specified city. So what is the uh, current time in New York? All all time favorite Paris. I want to explore Paris. Let's given this Paris. Okay. Oh, it was calling that method and so tool use because we implemented tool use. Okay, I think the current time in Paris is 10:30 a.m. So we'll check in the Google also. Current time in Paris. Okay, 2:31 p.m. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Okay, now I got the reason like why it was showing. So in our logic, right? So we clearly given like time is 10:30, so we didn't mention anything. So I think we have to tweak some logic. So what it was doing is, I mean, it's working in the correct mode. So it was calling that method, and whatever response it was giving, right, it was displaying that. So that's the things. I mean. That is the one which is happening right now. So that's why we're not getting the current accurate because the logic itself, we have to build our own logic. We need to get some, we have to put some condition, we have to put some date or time or UTC, whatever it might be. So we need to change our logic, then it will work fine. But I think it's ADK, I think it's working fine. So the first tool, right? So we did well. So with this approach, what we got is like we're able to visualize the UI and everything in the Google Agent Development Kit, and we are able to, you know, ask any query and it will doing the tool call and it was getting the response. Great. And we can check the events and what is the text I given and what is the function call. It was showing what is the response it given. So text. Great. I think it's working fine. Sessions, and it was showing the sessions. It was, we can do some eval as well. And in the my agent, we can, okay, we only have one thing. Great. It was giving this token streaming a new session and we can delete it, we can download. Okay, cool. I think we can upload local file, we can check all these things. See, these things we can do, but it's just a beginner. I mean, it's a beginner video. So beginning, like we just started at this tutorial series and we just exploring. I think we did well. So we're able to know like we build our first agent. It's only like it was calling the tool function or not. It was calling the function or not. That's the only logic we verified. It was working fine. Great. And yeah, I think we can see the next things in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'll create some other series. I mean, in the same series only, I'll create more videos and I'll showcase you how to create more robust application. But this is just a beginning. So we just what we did is like in Python. So we're able to set this ADK. We install the dependencies and we implemented this step. We're able to visualize. So it is running in my local. You can see this. So we're able to visualize the things like we're able to do the tool call and all the stuff that we did. And yeah, we'll see the next things in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye.